I'm Judy Shaw for What's the Fund? Joining me today is Jeremy Lopez, Brandon Carl, Mary Weeks Fountain, all portfolio managers with Sterling Capital. Great to see you all. Thanks for joining me on What's the Fund today.
Hi, Judy. Great to see you.
Now, quick note to our viewers, this interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Jeremy, we're going to kick it off with you. What's the fund we're talking about today?
Today, we're very excited to feature the Sterling Capital Diverse Multi-Manager Active ETF, which is listed under the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker DEIF. The fund's investment opportunity set includes U.S. large cap and mid cap equity market segments, and it's comprised of 3 strategies managed by diverse owned asset managers. The ETF was launched in December of 2021 with a $100 million investment from Truist Financial Corporation, which is the parent company of Sterling Capital. We believe that the ETF increases access for individuals and institutions to invest in strategies managed by diverse-owned firms, reflecting Truist and Sterling Capital's commitment to advancing diversity, equity, and inclusion in the financial services industry. In this specific case, we believe that the fund's allocation to each asset manager can ultimately provide capital that can be used in the growth of their respective businesses. And finally, the ETF is competitively priced with a gross expense ratio of 65 basis points.
Okay, now Brandon, tell me some more about this fund and tell me about the strategy.
So as Jeremy mentioned, the ETF is an actively managed, multi-manager U.S. equity fund comprised of strategies managed by majority diverse-owned asset managers. We define majority diverse-owned as being at least 50% owned by women, racial minorities, LGBTQ+ individuals, veterans, or disabled individuals. The Sterling Capital portfolio management team, which includes Mary Weeks Fountain, Jeremy Lopez, and me, is responsible for sub-advisor due diligence and asset allocation decisions. After conducting extensive due diligence, we have selected Boston Common Asset Management to manage the large cap value allocation, GQG Partners to manage the large cap growth allocation, and Earnest Partners to manage the U.S. mid cap core portion of the fund. The fund's benchmark is the Russell 1000 Index, and it's best characterized as a large cap core style, but could periodically have moderate value, growth, or mid-cap tilts, depending on our asset allocation views and sub-advisor portfolio positioning. We believe Sterling's quantitatively driven asset allocation process, combined with the 3 sub-advisors investment teams, investment processes, and risk management in our fund, DEIF, offers a compelling solution for investors searching for active U.S. equity exposure that is managed by diverse-owned firms.
Okay, now Mary Weeks, where can our viewers go to learn more about this fund?
Well, you can find out more about Sterling Capital and the Diverse Multi-Manager Active ETF on our website at www.sterlingcapital.com/ETF/DEIF, where you can download a summary fact sheet and prospectus, view performance, and a list of holdings. As a fully transparent, actively managed ETF, holdings are published daily, so investors have high visibility to what they own. Additional information can be requested by clicking on the contact link on the top of the Sterling Capital website or by calling 888-637-7798.
All right, well, it's been wonderful to have you all on What's the Fund today. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you.
Thank you.